Our customers consistently tell me 3 things that make Malwarebytes unique. First, we make sure every business has access to the best endpoint protection possible. This is the democratization of cybersecurity. Whether you have tens of endpoints or 1,000 endpoints, we want to make sure every company gets the best technology that fits their business needs. The second thing that makes Malwarebytes unique, we find the threats traditional AV misses. In fact, Malwarebytes found and removed hidden threats on 39% of devices that already had another antivirus installed. All told, we detect or block more than 8 million threats every day. That's 8 million threats that never get a chance to hurt your business, and we're very proud of that. The third thing that makes Malwarebytes unique, it's user-friendly. With Malwarebytes, managing your cybersecurity is easy, just like opening up your email and setting up a meeting. It's simple. You don't need special training. And if you see something and you think, hey, this could be better, you can just let us know through our cloud console, and one of our engineers will respond. Or maybe you're dealing with an attack on your network and you need support right now. You can call or chat with the live person on our support team and get the immediate help you need. Every organization needs a security program that's accessible, catches the threats, and is easy to use. It just works. That's Malwarebytes. That's what makes us unique.